Sdang ka Jingiakhih ki Northeastern Hill University Teachers Association, halor ka jingkuman jong Vice Chancellor ka Nehu, halor ka jingpyntreikam ke NPP, khlem monjur ke Academic Council, ka jingthungkam khlem don interview, but kiwei ki issue.
Students in the colleges, principal have implemented, they like it somehow. We all know, MCTA, Nehuta, everybody knows there are serious flaws. I would request any parent, any student to ask the Vice Chancellor, where is my third semester course? What I'm going to study? They have no answer. What I'm going to face in exam? What is my structure of exam? No idea, because there's no more question paper. Exam is supposed to be in November. He is taking us for a ride. Initially, the fight of Nehuta, MCTA and others were for a rollback. But right now, we are not harping as such. I'm using the word very carefully, not harping. We will discuss in Academic Council as and when it is being convened. When we listen to him, that what was the urgency for him to backstab us? When Academic Council has resolved, there was a voting done in Academic Council that it cannot be implemented 23-24. Only 5 people have raised their hand in support. Rest of them said it cannot be, and it was settled. Yet he went stabbing us at the back, and he went and bulldozed the college principals, saying that Academic Council, and he issued that letter dated said 12th of July, where the OSD has said that, Academic Council 110 meeting has actually approved. And we have not. And there are serious procedure flaw, because, why I'm saying it has to be very, very clear, because nobody should misunderstand Nehuta or MCTA. We are all for our students. These are our blood. This is our flesh. I think I will be very scared if I have to send my kid to college to study in this kind of scenario where I don't know what they're going to study in 3rd semester, 4th semester, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th. And that's where we were harping that let the whole picture be clear. Then yet student wanted it, yet principal wanted it. We said, fine, then let's discuss about it, how to move ahead. And that's why we said that you must convene. But he didn't agree. Finally, we have to go for a signature campaign, whereby our RA5 under clause 13, it provides that if you get requisition by 1/3 of the total membership of the Academic Council, he is bound. I'm using the word. It is not his choice anymore. He is bound to call this meeting, whether he liked the topic, he doesn't like the topic, it is not in his hand anymore. And I know he has also announced, trying to play games with us, and he has announced one normal Academic Council, which has no reference whatsoever with our meeting that we have requisitioned. There is no reference whatsoever about our meeting that we have asked for. And that's where we are saying that we demand immediately this emergency requisition meeting has to be called in next few days. Otherwise, things are not going to happen easy in any case.